Hey guys, what's up? It's Wednesday, April the 6th. It's about 11:14. I'm ready to get my day started. I'm going to change things up a little bit just for the lunch rush. I've never done this before, but I'm going to do DoorDash only, and I'm going to take every order that comes across my app. I've already accepted 2 offers. The first one is picking up at the other place, and it's for $7.75, and it's going 3.7 miles. So that one's not too bad. But the second one is picking up at Pega's Family Restaurant for $6.50, going 7.4 miles. This is taking me way outside of my DoorDash zone, so it's going to take me time to get back into my DoorDash zone. But we'll take what we can get, and we'll see how much I can make. So hold on tight, we're in for an adventure. Alright guys, finally have that order on board. I'm on my way. It's about 5 minutes, 2.5 miles to the next pickup. So let's go grab it. Hi, picking up for Michelle. Oh, we got him over here now. I was used to him being over here.
Right there.
All right, great. Thank you. So the first order is about 1.5 miles away. It's going to take me about 4 minutes to drop it off. It's a leave at door, so it should be pretty quick. So let's go get it done. And I don't expect either one of these orders to go up. Oh, do you want me to just hand it to you? Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day. So when you're not able to take your photo because the customer came to the door, all you have to do is hit complete delivery steps. And then from there, instead of take a photo, you'll hit handed order directly to customer. And then you just confirm your order from there. Oh, and by the way, this order went up from $7.75 to $8.50. So let's go get the next order off. It is about 11 minutes to that drop off from Pega's. It's going 6.7 miles. It's going to take me about 11 minutes. So let's get moving. Alright, this is a leave at door, so it should be pretty easy. So now the problem I have is I'm out of my zone. It says it's finding orders headed back to zone, but to me, I think that's just a lot of bull crap. I think that's the worst thing DoorDash probably did to drivers, was make it so if they went out of their original zone, they couldn't take any orders in another zone. So I'm gonna head back into my zone. So some of you may be wondering, since I was in a different zone, why I didn't just switch zones and stay there and dash, and then maybe get something that's taking me back towards my other zone. The reason I didn't do that is because that zone up there stinks. It would not have done me any good to stay up there, especially with what I'm doing right now, is taking every order. I'd have been taking crap order after crap order after crap order, and this is going to be hard enough as it is. So I would rather drive the 10 to 15 minutes back to my zone than stay up there and get all those crappy orders. So that's my reason. Something else I was thinking about too on that last order I dropped off for $6.50 that went like the 6.8 miles. And actually it was more miles than that from the restaurant. But I would not have taken that order for sure because I knew I was going to have to drive back from that and have those dead miles. So that order probably needed to be at least $15 or $16 in order for me to normally take that. and I want to see that up front. That's not a 6, and usually on the longer mile trips they will show you pretty close to the exact amount that you're going to get for the trip. Usually it might be 25 to 50 cents, give or take, that they show you from the real price. I definitely would not have taken that trip, that's for sure. Right, so I'm back in my zone. I have my next order. It's picking up from Chipotle. I'm about a minute from the pickup. It's 0.5 miles to pick it up, and then the actual trip itself is for $8.36, going 9.9 miles. So it's kind of going to an area. I won't come back this same direction, but it's still going to be a little bit of a drive to get over to where I normally start my day. But there are 7 items, so it could go up. So let's go grab it. All right, the order was already ready, so that's good. This is a hand it to customer. Looks like they've had some problems in the past getting their food delivered because they've got some really detailed directions. It says the location the GPS gives might be wrong, so then they gave me some directions to actually get to their house. Looks like I'm 14 minutes away from the drop-off, 8.6 miles, so let's get moving. So I'm already an hour into my shift, and I've made $15. That's like nowhere near what I normally try to make. I know my first hour isn't always the best, but if you take into consideration the amount of miles I drove for that $15, it's already not worth it. So now I know why I do what I do. Hello. Hi. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. There you are. Thank you so much. Have a good day. All right, guys, got that dropped off, and it did not go up 1 cent. Not a penny. Didn't go up at all. Oh, those bumps. So once again, I'm out of my DoorDash zone. So now I'm gonna have to drive either back to the location I came from or head towards where I usually dash. So I think I'm gonna head towards where I usually dash, just to see if the miles to money ratio will get any better. Okay, so I have my next 2 orders. Both are picking up from Hy-Vee Grocery. Looks like one has 18 items and the other one has 15 items. The only problem with this is it's taking me directly back to where I just came from. Hang on a second.
Hey, what's up? Can I have a name on your order?
I have 2, actually. Ashley M. and Kara C.
Ashley M. Kara C?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Thank you. So yeah, it's taken me directly back to where I came from, which I was trying to get away from, just because of the miles I'm putting on my car. But it is what it is. 12.1 miles. Hy-Vee orders usually stand a chance of going up, and the thing is, this was not due to be picked up until 1:30. It's only 12:49, so I am hoping that they have these ready fairly quickly, or it's going to make this stacked order even worse. So this is not fun, guys. I don't like this. So let's see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so the first one is ready. It's on board already.
You want this one in the back seat?
Sure, that'd be great.
All right.
Make a little room for you.
All right, that is everything for both of them.
Great, thank you so much.
Yep,
Appreciate it.
In the trunk.
All right.
And the other one, I don't remember what DoorDash says the name is, but it's...
Yeah, we're good. We got Kara in the back seat. So after he loaded the first order, he asked me what the last 4 digits on the order number was, and I had to get back over to my phone, so I was looking at it intensely, and I quickly turned around to tell him the order number, and he was like smack dab like right in my face. I could have kissed him, actually. He was trying to look through the window to see what the order number was, and I'm like, you know, back off a little bit, buddy. All right, so we have both of those on board, so I'm gonna confirm pickup on those just real quick. Okay, so not far at all on the first one. So we're about 3 minutes, 1.2 miles. So let's go get this one off. So the app is showing this first order is for $7. So we'll see if it goes up any. Hopefully. So this is a hand it to customer. So I'm just gonna make sure they get it. Thank you. All right, guys, so the total on that ended up being $7. It did not go up. And if you'll notice the customer tip, big fat 0. It's what we all love to see, right? I just don't understand people. You know, you're asking someone to do something that you don't want to do yourself, and then you don't even tip. I don't understand it. All right, so the next drop off is 8 minutes away. Looks like 5.1 miles. And this one, the offer they gave me was for $9. So the 9 and 7 makes up the 16. I don't expect this to go up anymore. You know, I just don't get people. So I'm saying it's not going up. It's another hand to customer, so I'll just kind of hang out and watch them get them. It's easier to do it that way than try to hand them off to the customer. Thank you. Have a good day. All right, guys, at least that one tipped. It was $9 total. It didn't go up from what they originally showed me, but there was a $2 tip on it. But for as far as I went, $2 don't cut it. Oh man, guys, this stinks. I was trying to get away from the area that I dropped off in. It's kind of near where I live, and just the miles to money out here is horrible. So I got, oh my gosh, I got an order picking up from Subway. The pickup alone was like 7 minutes away and 2.8 miles. The actual order is for $6.75, going 10.8 miles. This is going out to an area where there's nothing, which means I have to come back those 10.8 miles. We're talking about 22 miles for $6.75, and I can guarantee you this is not going to go up. Oh man, I'm eating this one. I am eating this one big time, guys. This is not fun. It goes against every grain in my body to take orders like this. I was trying to get away from that area as quickly as possible before something popped up on my phone. Oh man, I didn't get away quick enough. Let's go get this picked up.
Hi, Wolfman.
Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm good. Are you here for DoorDash?
I am, just in case. I don't know if you kept them somewhere specific or...
We keep them back behind the...
Oh, okay.
Beat you to it. Alright, make sure everything. Alright, it just needs the vitamin water out of the fridge for you.
Okay.
And it'll be that one right there. Second shelf down. Or second shelf from the right
okay,
side. Yeah.
gotcha, gotcha. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah,
Have a good one. Hi guys, got that on board. It was ready and waiting. They had a drink, as you could hear from what he was saying. And since I'm going, you know, it's about 10 minutes, 6.5 miles out there. So I have a little, like just a little bag that I can put bottled drinks in to keep them cold. So I stuck that in there since it's going to be, you know, a little bit before I get out there. Let's go get this off. Got that dropped off, stayed $6.75 just like I thought it would, and the customer tipped $1. Like I said before, I don't understand customers. I hope I'm proving to you the importance of not taking every order and just making sure that you're getting your miles to money ratio, whatever that is for you. For me, it's $2. Today, so far, I haven't even come close to that. There's no way. So I am now out of my zone and probably about 10 minutes back to get into my zone. So it's about 1:46 right now. I think I've had enough for the day. You know, like I said, I hope you guys have learned from this and got a little fun out of it at my expense. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was fun doing the challenge just to kind of help remind myself why I do what I do, why I multi-app, why I do my $2 per mile, and why I don't take anything less than $6.50 usually. That's just kind of the parameters I've set for myself, and I hope you guys set goals for yourselves when you're out there. Set your perimeters for what your market will handle. Not all markets can handle $2 per mile, you know, so you just got to figure out what that is and do your best to make the most money in the shortest amount of time. So I leave you with that, guys. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.